Hi, so today we're going to be unboxing the cre-active kit from Kulzer. Oh, that's nice. It's got a little cover over the top. Keep things safe. So here's what we have on the inside. See our different syringes of composites. We have a color palette here. We have a brush and some different tips for extruding the material. So as far as the composites that are in here, the shades that we have are white, polar, maroon, black, pink, red, and gum shade. And then as far as for the gingiva, we're looking at clear gingiva, gingiva R50, which corresponds to the Palapress Vario, gingiva light pink, gingiva pink, and gingiva shade 200. So some of those have fibers in them. And it looks like easy way to do that. Let's try one here. Let's see. So we'll take the metal tip out. We'll unscrew the end. And this one is the white. And that's it. Simple, and it's ready to go. Screwed out from there. If you're done with it, you can either keep the tip on there or put the cap back on. So we have two different types of dentures here. We have the one that is not enhanced with cre-active, just right out of the printer, post-cured. And we have the one that is enhanced with cre-active. As you can see, we can put veins and different things in there. That's it.